Morning, everybody. Tim Brett here at Phoenix Orange Beach 2, July 18th. Give you a quick update on the construction progress we have going on here. Standing on the north side of the property here, you can see the guys here. They are putting in the cap for the on top of the foundation here for the parking garage. And if I look up here and scroll up to the building here, forming the walls on the 6th floor right now. Up there on the top on the 6th floor, those are the walls going up to the that floor. Take you around out back, give you a shot of that. All right, I came up here on the 2nd floor. I'm standing in what's going to be the lobby, and I just wanted to give you an idea how far back the building sits back from the beach area. Of course, that's where the boardwalk will be going in, right there, that trail. And as you can see, panning over here to the west, but you see there is the, that's going to be our crane that's going to be going up, buck hoist, with our elevator for construction. Beautiful day out here on the beach. Got some clouds. Been raining quite a bit the past few days, but it's a beautiful day today. All right, let's see if I can go upstairs one more floor. Okay, this will be one of our east side corner units. You see the jags holding up the floor there above it. Just making sure the concrete's secured, and that'll be your flat ceilings there, smooth ceilings. And they take those off. And look at there. See Pavita Pass from up here? Very cool. Get a better shot of Pavita Pass there. Moved out here to the south side of the building just to give you a view here of what's going on. A lot of construction going on. Believe it or not, we are just about sold out of this building. If you'd like some more information, visit our website, phoenixorangebeach2.com. If you like what we're doing here, give us a like on this video and subscribe to our channel below. We'd love to hear from you. Visit us on our website, other website, brettrobinson.com, anytime. Give one of our agents a call. Talk about pricing. May have some more projects coming up soon. I'll be doing a video on Phoenix Orange Beach soon, next week or two. My name's Tim Brett. Thank you for watching today, and we hope to see you soon.